Alright, so we got the starter in. This switch was already with the truck. Looks good to me. I just took it off of the cab there. Got some lightning bolts and got the lightning bolt machine on there. I'm definitely curious on what's going to happen here. We'll see. Holy crap! What is that sound? Smells like ether. Fuel shut off? I don't think so. It's all manual anymore. Oh, we're getting smoke out of the chimney. Oh yeah, even has straight pipe on there. Oh man. She's gonna go.
Nope.
We're ready. 4 lightning bolts there. Wonder if we can give her some throttle. Where the hell's the throttle at? Oh, right there. Right there where all the return springs are. There we go. Oh yeah. Let's see. What's that? Humming? I don't know. Just a little snort. Yep. Premium. Just a little. That'll do. Oh! Alright, not gonna, a little more. Open her up. Wow. What is that humming? I don't know. There's things humming. Oh, that's the shut-off. Wrong one, dumbass. Oh, come on. Would you please? She's gonna go. No more. That's good. Oh, it won't idle. What's that? She's bleeding. She's bleeding right out the power steering line. That's alright. Air compressor works. Just a little shot. Won't idle yet. I wonder if I don't know what that is. I doubt them will come loose. Well, I ain't taking the exhaust side off. Oh, it's been welded. Oh boy. Huh. I wonder if that thing works. So, well, it has to have power to it. And there's not power to anything. Right? Well, it wouldn't get anything out the exhaust if there was. Well, I don't know. It'll go. It does not like to idle at all. Seems to be an air leak or three. Well, she builds air pressure. I wonder if any of the... Oh no, there ain't even any oil pressure light on there. Just a light, no gauge. Look at that. Made 30 psi already. Well, she's a runner, kinda. Alright. Alright. Move. Take that off. That's a fine reverse. They don't have no more power steering down there now. Holy shit, it moves! I know the front brakes are dragging horrible. Let me out! Let me out! Move my battery charger. I'm worried about that. No power steering. That's good. gooder. Now it don't. I don't know what the hell happened. I got nothing. I don't know what the hell happened in here. That relay or breaker or something. There we go. Hey, we got shit happening now. Oh, there's just, you know, there's stuff. Don't know why the brake controller's blinking, but let's see if we can fire her back up. Where'd that switch go? Oh, heater AC. That's, oh, that's way too bright. That's too bright too. I don't know why there's only one turn signal now. No headlights. I don't know why there ain't no dash lights. It's a lot snappier now. About a parking brake because the brake's brake and the shutoff still works. Air when you push on the foot brake, you can hear some air happening. I don't know if they're air boosted hydraulic brakes. I don't know. Oh, pretty neat. It runs and moves. Huh. Well, so much for the door, the window crank. That's why we can't have nice things.